So this is the Cinch bookbinding machine. Let me show you how amazing and easy this is to use. I'll be testing it on chipboard, thick cardstock paper, and mixed media paper, so you can get an idea of just how well this machine works. I'm going to be binding a notebook today, and I'll show you the process. First, I'll be punching holes in the 300 GSM cardstock paper. This is a pretty thick paper. You'll want to release the lever here, slide your paper in to align it, and press the lever down. I would recommend only punching 1 to 3 sheets of cardstock at a time. As you can see, it punched the 12 holes. I'm going to use the extension ruler and the adjustable hole punch levers to add 1 more punched hole. Next, we will do the same with the chipboard. Once again, we will align the paper and press the lever down. So it can punch through thick chipboard, which is amazing. I would recommend only doing 1 or 2 sheets of chipboard at a time. You do need to use more force with thicker materials, so you will start to get an idea of how much you can do at a time. After that, we'll punch through this mixed media paper. With thinner paper, you can do multiple sheets at a time. Okay, and these are all the papers punched out and ready to bind. I'm going to go ahead and use the back binding area to bind this little notebook together. You just turn this knob based on how small you need to bind your wires and press down. You might need to adjust the knob as you go. And here is the final result. This Cinch machine did a great job with punching multiple layers of thin paper, thick cardstock, as well as thick chipboard. So I definitely recommend it for a variety of projects.